Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine and doing study properly and every day and completing your homework also. Please, here today we are going to read chapter number 7 of our reader book. Okay, so the name of chapter is One Little Kitten. One Little Kitten. You know what? To whom we say kitten? To whom we say kitten? Kitten is the baby one of cat. To whom we call kitten? The baby one of cat. यानी cat का जो बच्चा होता है छोटा, उसे अपन इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? Kitten. So one एक little छोटा kitten बच्चा, बिल्ली का बच्चा. So here we are talking about the animals in this poem. So use Cordova Smart Class software on the Smart Boarding class to watch, read and enjoy this poem. तो इस poem में कौन कौन से animals की बात हो रही है, किस किस की बात हो रही है? Let's read. Are you ready? Yeah. One little kitten. One little kitten, two big cats. One little kitten एक छोटा बिल्ली का बच्चा. Two big cats दो बड़ी बिल्ली. Three baby butterflies. Three butterflies तितली and butterflies बहुत तितलियाँ. Three baby यानी तीन butterflies के छोटे butterflies. Four big rats. Four big rats. Rats you know, चूहे. Mouse also we can say. So four big rats. Now can you repeat this line again? One little kitten, two big cats, three baby butterflies, four big rats. Four lines are there. Here you can see the counting is also there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so one little kitten एक छोटा cat का बच्चा, two big cats दो बड़ी बिल्लियाँ, three baby butterflies तीन छोटी butterflies, four big rats चार बड़े चूहे. Next five fat fishes. Five fat fishes. Fish, you know what is the meaning of fish? Fish. Two fishes are there. One fish, fish, मछली, and fish is single. Ship are there. Two ships are there. ship ship, जहाज, and shep sheep, भेड़. Here we are talking about fish. Have you ever seen fish? Yes, fish live in water. Without water it can't live. So five fat. Fat means होता है मोटा. Fat means मोटा. 6 sad cells. Sad means होता है दुखी, उदास. Cells also. Cells is also a name of animal which lives in water. पानी में रहने वाला एक जानवर. 7 silly seagulls. 7 silly seagulls. Seagulls also the animal which live in water. It's called pisu in Hindi. इसको हिंदी में पीसू भी बोलते हैं. Maybe you haven't seen this animal. 8 happy owls. 8 happy owls. This is also an animal. Okay. Next 8 happy owls. Till 8 we have done this counting. See, one little kitten, two big cats, 3 baby butterflies, 4 big rats, 5 fat fishes, 6 sad seals, 7 silly seagulls. Silly मूर्ख, silly मूर्ख. 8 happy elves, 8 happy elves. 9 nervous lizards, 9 nervous डरी हुई सी. lizards you all know. Lizard chickali, do you know? Have you ever seen? Maybe you have seen at home lizard. So you know what seagulls means? Fish, a different kind of fish. Okay, seagull means pisu, else means a different kind of fishes. Nervous lizards chickali. 10 brave bees, 10 brave means होता है बहादुर. brave means बहादुर. So how many brave bees are there? How many? 10 brave bees. bees means होता है मधुमक्खी और brave means होता है बहादुर. नेक्स्ट 11 smelly elephants. Smelly means not giving the good smell, बदबू आना. So 11 smelly elephants. Elephants you all know I think. What is the meaning of elephant? Hindi meaning, what we call to elephant in Hindi? Do you know? हाथी. Have you ever ride on elephant? आपने कभी सवारी की है एलिफेंट की? एलिफेंट राइडिंग किया है आपने कभी? ओके. नेक्स्ट 13 एलिगेटर्स मगरमच्छ. हैव यू एवर सीन मगरमच्छ? वी कैन से घड़ियाल ऑल्सो. 2 alligators. What we say to alligators in Hindi? If somebody will ask you what is the meaning of alligators, what you will say? घड़ियाल या मगरमच्छ. How many घड़ियाल्स were there? 13. And what is the correct spelling of 13? Have you learned or forgot? THIRTEEN 13. Okay. Next 14 whales. Whales also name of fish. Okay. 15 donkeys. How many donkeys are there? 15 with 15 tails. और उनके कितनी tail means होता है पूंछ. टेल मीन्स क्या होता है? पूंछ. ओके. सो 15 टंकी है एंड 15 टेल्स और उनके 15 ही टेल्स हैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट till 15 animals are there. Now once again we will repeat. Okay, you also open your book and read like me. 1 little kitten, 2 big cats, 3 baby butterflies, 4 big rats, 5 fat fishes, 6 sad seals, 7 silly seagulls, 8 happy elves, 9 nervous lizards, 10 brave bees, 11 smelly elephants, 12 fat whales, 13 alligators, 14 whales, 15 donkeys with 15 tails. Okay. So this was the poem about the animals. How many animals are there and whatever names we read in the poem you can see in this picture: elephant, cat, kitten, mouse, butterflies, alligators. Can you see here? Bees. All the animals are here in this picture. You can recognize and you can write number, which one is fish, which one is mouse, which rat, which one is the elephant, which one is the kitten. Okay, so and who is the poet of this poem means who wrote this poem? ये poem किसने लिखी है? Kallon Crams. Kallon Crams. Crowlands. Crams. You should also learn this name because in question answers you can get this question, what is the name of the poet of the poem One Little Kitchen. Okay, so this was the today's lecture. Thank you.